when Paul said sorry. Did you see him? Don't do it.
And I have text messages on 3 different phones.
I haven't searched for anything.
Just turn and face the
Turn
and face the car for me. You have anything illegal on you? Anything that's gonna poke me, stick me, or anything like that?
No.
Nothing.
No.
Nothing illegal on you.
No.
Okay. Turn and face the car. Stop moving your feet around.
Yeah. I thought this was cleared up yesterday.
Nope.
Got a whole bunch of things in there.
Okay.
Probably gonna come flying out.
Nope. Well, take it out nice.
How you doing, man?
You got a bag in your car? You just put it all in a bag. Make it easy. What's that key to?
That's just an old stuff.
I dropped the dollar on the floor there.
I think it's a half a bug that got ripped.
Whatever, I'll do that in a second.
Yeah. Yeah, and there's the dude, and I got the state attorney's card in there. He told us this wouldn't be an issue.
Okay. Well, the warrant hasn't been cleared yet.
But as from what I understand, it's not a warrant.
It was a warrant. There's an active warrant out for your arrest right now.
Well,
that's why we're here.
So did a different judge sign off on it?
Possibly.
No, you're coming over here. You're not talking to me.
Is the key in the ignition? Angie, he wants to secure your vehicle. Is the key in the ignition so he can lock it for you? Okay. Did you hear what he just said? He's not searching the vehicle.
You own a Hyundai, which is very easy to steal. Would you like it to be secured?
I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay, we're beyond that, so...
Can you please tell him all I did was saw you. I didn't want to hit you. I was just trying to close my front door. Angie, it's all on camera. I pulled up, you saw me. You completely ran away from me.
Hey, I need to tighten this left one.
And tried to close the door in my face. I had to slam your door while you were closing it in my face. We're going to have one male 1015 and a female 1015.
I think that one's okay. All right, go ahead.
Let me check the other side if you don't mind.
I don't know who you talked to, but whatever you did was not sufficient enough to drop any charges. Okay? These are the keys to your house. Your car's sitting there, it's unlocked. The passenger side window is down. I'd rather not leave it down and your purse is sitting in the passenger seat. Do you want to leave your purse in there or you want to bring it out here? We would have to search it. But my concern for you is, do you want me to shut your windows in your car? No? Alright, where's the key to the car?
Where did you get this cut from
This
on
one
your...
right here? Alright, so I have permission to turn it on and shut the windows?
Where did you get the cut from on your hand?
Lawnmower from pawn shop.
What?
Lawnmower, pawn shop.
Okay, because you're actively bleeding right now, so...
Where?
On your arm. And then now it's on me.
Where?
On your arm. Nope, left arm.
She also, I think the stab wounds were on her arm
Oh.
as well.
Okay.
Oh, no, that's from you. That's actually from
Right,
you.
yeah, that's from me.
Yeah.
That's from me.
Yeah, that's from you.
Right,
That's
you're
from
right.
you.
You're right.
That's from
You're right.
you.
The camera will show otherwise.
Yeah,
Don't you
the
worry.
camera will.
Santos,
Right.
just take a photograph of her.
Yeah.
She's alleging
Yeah,
injury from
you.
this.
Yep.
You did this to me.
Oh, yeah, that happened, Angie. Let me go get my phone. Hey, I never put my hands on her. She's alleging that that cut now is from me. I gotta take pictures of her. She's bleeding. On the same arm that she got stabbed in, apparently.
You just following me? I was asking if you watched it, but apparently you.
She was slamming the door in my face. I had to push the door open.
I was like, she's gonna run back in. She's going back in.
Hey, I got, hold on a second, hold on. What? My meds are in that bag.
Yep, it's all coming with you.
No, they're very important.
It's all coming with you. I don't know what more I can say. You're not holding your meds or anything like that. They're all coming with you to the jail. What more would you like me to do with your meds?
Just tag them and make sure they're
all coming with you to the jail, right? They're going to be with you in jail.
Okay.
You don't have nothing else on you, do you?
No, you searching pretty good.
I'm assuming I didn't check them. Let me see your cuffs real quick. Stop.
Now what?
Your cuffs. Yeah, they're locked.
Alright. Does it look like it is what it's supposed to do?
Yeah, looks like
Does it have his name on it?
looks like Xanax. Looks like a bunch of Xanax.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Is that what it is, though?
When is prescription if you just got out of,
I'm trying to see the fill date. It expires on 4/17/25. That's the expiration for
you
it.
just got this 2 weeks.
4/17/24. And he got 90. I mean, it looks like it's still full, so.
It might be like generic Xanax or something.
Yeah, I never heard of that, though.
Yeah.
Substituted for Buspar.
Buspar substituted for
Yeah.
HCl isn't anything HCl like in generic anyways.
Yeah.
I take pictures of her.
God, he's my age. He looks terrible. He's 40. Yeah, looks like he's 60.
Who's transporting who? I guess he's in the back of my car.
Yeah. Do you want her to go on Polaris since she's alleging this?
Because he's got a.
Who's in your car?
I think Moone
yes,
is in
fine.
my car.
You take have Polaris too.
Because he's got. Okay. I'll call you in a minute.
Okay.
Once I get there and get them in.
This real quick.
All right. I didn't confirm it. So
The warrant?
yeah. Polara, can she go in your car?
Yeah, he's in your car.
Oh, he is in your car.
Maybe put her in your
Okay.
car.
I wanted to. Well,
Have you confirmed
the reason why I want to switch it is because you have surveillance
Technically, they're
in your back seat and I don't.
arrested on the same
And she's sitting there
Yeah, but it's
claiming
domestic.
that
I know.
her cut
Yeah,
was from me. So
We would never put
surveillance in my back seat?
don't you have a camera back there?
No.
Oh, you don't have a camera back there. Okay.
Just do a BWC, but this time don't put it in the window. What's the camera for?
What?
What?
Just to keep eyes on her when she's in the back to see if she says anything back there. Because she's alleging that cut was from me, which it was not. So
It's probably cut from the day of the.
it just flared up again. She said it was from the pawn shop, and then she goes, "It's from you."
Explain to me what happened when you walked in, because when I walked around, I didn't
So,
see what happened at the door.
I pulled up, turned my lights on, and she's actively in the driver's seat. She walks out and looks at me and starts like doing
I
one
saw
of
that.
these.
That's when I took off.
And then so I run in and she goes to shut the door in my face. So I push the door open and he's standing right there.
Yeah.
And then she's shoving me to not like get next to him. So
Okay, so Batleo.
yeah, I got Batleo obstruction.
I mean, and he did an obstruction.
And then
Andy's wanted
and the
for-
file false police.
Well, she's
Just get her
adamant
right now.
that she filed a false police report.
She's cut from him, right?
No,
They
no.
took pictures that day.
But she's wanting to document that she was lying when she wrote filed the charges against this guy. So I'm going to have her do a statement at the jail, and then we'll just charge her with filing a false police report. Yeah.
Are we doing that?
At least that we can send to the state. We'll send that to the state.
That's a DV thing all day, right?
Right. So even it doesn't apply.
Well,
Yeah.
the first thing we need to do is let's see if we can get the photos from
the night of
Okay.
and compare her injuries
she's
now
alleging it
to
doesn't
those photos. Yeah, but we want to confirm that it wasn't a result of use of force.
Yes, we'll worry about that. Because I just got to do a blue team on this.
Oh yeah, I mean, hey, that's fine.
Yeah.
I didn't touch
Yeah,
her.
so that part, don't worry about it.
Okay, I just need to confirm
Just
this.
a statement, and we'll just forward it to the state. Let them figure that out.
Okay. Oh, he is? Yeah, I just. Oh, okay, thank you. I was just gonna do that now. All right.
Run into the door. You just saw it for a change.
No, I saw it, and I tried to get on the radio because I saw him walk
I
inside.
saw him go to the door. I said,
So I was like, I was gonna say stop, because I could tell he was coming back out.
Yeah.
So I was gonna say stop, and I'm like, all right, well, here we
Run up
go.
and grab him.
Yeah, I wonder.
Well, I thought he was still out here, and then I pull up, but the door's open, and she's by herself. So I don't know if he went back in to grab something.
I was thinking they're gonna pull out.
So
It's not gonna go anywhere.
the good thing for you guys is the whole effort is recorded, so you can see him starting to go in, right? Because I'm watching him. He goes to the passenger door. We think he's going to occupy the car, and then he changes his mind. So when he goes in, that's when I'm on the radio saying like, "Hey, he's going to go back inside the house. Don't let her go back in." And then you pull up and chase him.
I don't know.
Something just fell out, right, when you opened
Hey,
the door?
Polera.
Oh, maybe he stepped on the stick.
No. What was that?
All right, I'm gonna be 51. Hey, you want to just put her in my car?
What's that?
Want to just put her in my car? I'll transport her. So it'll be Bat, Leo, and obstruction.
Yeah, we're gonna get that.
Battery on the Leo?
Yep,
Is this your
correct.
vehicle?
Yeah,
It's on fire?
you can't push a police officer. Let's go.
Is this your vehicle?
Nope, it's over there.
You guys watched it and handed them the phone.
Angie, do you have anything else on you that I didn't find?
No, I need my car keys.
Okay, did you hear what I just said?
I have my keys right here.
You can't hold anything in your hands right now. Once you get to the jail, all your property is going to go with you. Thank you. You don't have anything else on you, right? If you go to the jail and something's on you, it's going to be an extra charge, okay? It'll be a felony, so just make sure you don't have anything else on you. I don't know why you decided to push me when I was trying to get to him.
I don't know who's a bar woman running up on me.
Really?
My house?
Okay.
Yeah, you made my arm bleed. You
Right.
are?
It's all on
You didn't
camera.
announce yourself?
Okay. Hang tight. Oh, thank you. This is our stuff.
Lawyer in the state of Florida, you're going to be fired from the police department.
I'm going to be fired for you pushing me.
Fucking run up on me in my own yard, door, my own house.
Yep.
Done, bitch.
Correct. Because your boyfriend has a warrant for aggravated battery against you.
Well, guess what, bitch? You're not going to be a police officer any longer.
Really? Why is that? Why is that, Angie?
Because you lied.
Right. I lied about what? Your boyfriend has a warrant. What did I lie about?
Cut my arm. Baby,
Right.
bleed.
Yeah, I cut your arm. I didn't even touch you.
Yeah. We'll see you on tape. We'll see you on tape.
Yep.
I'll see you in court, bitch. You're done. You're done.
Okay, Angie. Settle down.
Days are over with. Husband. Lesbian bitch.
Oh, that's your husband?
That's my husband.
Oh, that's
Yes,
even
that's
better.
my husband. Yes, did marry him like 3 times. That's my husband.
Well, you guys don't have the same last name. You guys don't have the same last name, so I didn't know. I'm a cop.
I'm gonna put my window up and pretend like end of December. Alright, you ain't got nothing else on you, right? Like, I know that you saw what the officer took off of you.
I can't
Okay.
feel my pockets. As far as I know.
I guess what I'm trying to ask is, you bring something in that door after the officer searched you, it's another charge. So
no, it would,
it's not a
be in my
trivial
pockets.
question. Okay, it's not a trivial question, but I treat everybody the same. So if you're like, yeah, I got a pipe or some shit, like let's deal with it out here.
It would be in my pockets. You guys check my
Stand right
pockets. Just do my pockets one more time. Check fifth pocket. It'd be coins or something.
No, he got them all. He did a good job.
Yeah.
But
other
occasionally
than
somebody's
that,
got something wrapped around their junk. Let's go to that door. Let's go to the right of this door. Alright, go in there and have a seat on that metal bed, okay?